Welcome, Bitcoin Bulls Believers. I had to change the name. There's another site out there called Bitcoin Bulls. Don't look like they do too much, so anyway, I just added a word to it. Believers. So, we are believers. We are the believers. Anyway, so what we had last night was getting extremely nerve wracking because the price had gone down. Come over here, come over here, come over here. Thank you. If the price had come down, that was November 20th, and then we had gone up for a good bit, and then all of a sudden we hit this on the 9th of December, all the way to the 20th. It's almost like actually, from November 20th till now, we've had a 14.5% increase, so which means it is recovering from what issues it was having. Oh man, don't hide that stuff. Okay, so anyway, yeah, real tempting to buy down here. I was waiting for it to get to about $17,600, but I just never quite got there except over. It was way back in November, but anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at the technicals of all the charts. We're going to do a 2-hour chart today. You know, it's going to be up in 45 minutes, so what's the difference? Okay, where's all about indicators? Let me refresh the screen, see where we're at. Looks like they're all back. Very good. So we've been running through up and down this channel for a while. We broke it, came up, went back down in it, and actually we're on the yellow exponential average. Got to stay above that. I'm going to make this a little brighter. So here's your 21 indicator. You see it stays above it most of the time, coming down. It'll take a few hits here and there, like right here. Go below it, then pop back up, then go below it. And this is where we had our down the last week, 2 weeks, which was not good. But now we're back above the yellow 20, so that is a good sign. And also a good sign, let's go to the 2-hour. Good sign for the 2-hour is look at RSI. It's all the way up here to 66.15. And it's starting to come down a little bit. If we move it out to the 6-hour, we're going to see it come down some, but it's still going to be pointing up, and that's the main thing. So that's two indicators that are pretty much correlated with each other. MACD, yeah, this is last night, so this is a good time to buy. There's no action going on down here. Now all of a sudden today, you got action rising, so it's going above the zero line now. That just tells you right there that, you know, people are been buying, and we'll be selling off some of the, but it'll be picked up by other investors. There's no problem. Let's look at the 2-hour daily Stokes, way above the bullish control zone. Went up to 97.99, then dropped back down to like a 97, and going back up again. So that's an excellent sign. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Still way above it. 6-hour, still above line. And 12-hour looks like we're going to dip down. Probably a sell-off from some of these highs up here. probably get a dip down. It'll probably come popping back up after that. So we can go on and run through the RSI the same way. 12-hour, we're going to be kind of in a bullish divergence until we get to here, and it looks like it's trying to pop back up. If we look at the 6-hour, we have definitely a channel going down, which would indicate bullish diversion. So, are we entering a high price at 18,782 right now? Maybe should I sell some now and wait? Let's see what Stokes is going to do in 12 hours and 4 hours. So we're going way down here. Go away, you mother. Anyway, so it's popping up hard up here, and it's going to correct down a little bit, so it'll probably level off. I mean, we could probably get to 18,900, somewhere in that range, and trade there for 2 or 3 days. We may not have any volatile action going on like we did several weeks ago. And let's see, we're looking at the MACD, historical ventile, or however you say this stupid thing. And November 28th, we're way up here, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, till we got to the 7th, and we had a sharp pop up, and then it started coming down a little bit yesterday. Can't tell a lot on that, but all indicators are pointing basically the same direction, maybe in different hours, but anyway, so let's take a look at the channel oscillator. So I would assume this is like a funding rate. It's a funding deal. There's no funding money here. They're not buying anything until it starts upswing. This is when they buy. And then it gets up here, and they'll sell it, wait for it to dip down, and buy it back as it goes up. So it seems to work pretty well. I mean, I'm not good enough at that chart to really have confidence, and I'd rather have the actual funding rate chart. It's a lot easier. Anyway, let's take a look at the trade view charts. We do have BitMEX funding here, which is leveled off at 0. There's really nothing going either way with the funding, so there's nothing to even be concerned about on that. No, I get you that error message, man. Come on, I paid for this crap. Okay, and here we go. This is historical volatility again. We see it went down, it's coming back up. That's on the 2-hour. On the 4-hour, still the way up. 6-hour, kind of leveling off a little bit. And let's see what we got over here on this RSI chart. Let's do 12 hours. We're still going to be in the middle of the zone, trending up, which is good. 6 hours, trending up, good. 4 hours, trending up, even higher, good. 3 hours, trending up, still good. 2 hours, really trending up. The last hour it has, wow, it's crossed the line up there. Unbelievable. So we got to push for some price action. To me, I mean, it appears to be so. With my limited technical ability, here's a 20 moving average. You see the damage it's caused when it goes below it. As soon as it rises above it, then things start looking good again. So let's see what chart we got here on this one here. This is the well, heck, just hide your name, fella. Go ahead on. It's a fun rate chart, similar to the others. Looks like you have the fun rate go down, come up, go down, come up, go down, come up, go down. Now this is usually the time. Well, not yet, but probably when it starts on its upswing back up. Well, it's getting close now. Is a good buy point. So you want to buy down here, these levels, wait for it to cross up, sell up here. Another easy way to read the market. I think we did Stokes. I don't know if that's RSI or Stokes. Sorry, I lose my voice from last night, but 12 hours trending up, 6 hours, same thing, 4 hours, same thing, 3 hours, same thing. Take a look at it. Where my little label at? Where my little label? Oh, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter anyway, dear. We don't need a label. This is RSI. This will be your Stokes. Whoa, look at Stokes go. That's 3 hour. It's way up there. See if it's going to cool off. 4 hour. No, still staying hot. 6 hour going above the line. And 12 hour coming back pretty hard, but then bouncing off the 20. And it'll probably come back hard next week, Monday. Yeah, as you see. Come like Monday, it's going to hit the bottom and it's going to bounce back up hard. So I'm not too concerned about that. All the long range indicators are great, excellent. They seem to work. It's the short ones that are hard and dangerous to trade. So I'll try to stay away from it. It's got another oscillator here showing the zero line. Rates going below it. This would have been you would have wanted to buy back in late November as it peaked in December early, and then had a couple little bounces up and down, and then we really went down yesterday. So we're waiting for that correction side up going up on this chart. So let's hope that comes soon. And go away. Okay. And yeah, we're looking at that one. This is I don't know how stupid labels are. So it's kind of funny, right? Yeah. See the dips, the highs, the dip, high dip, high dip, high dip. That's more conducive to what a fuddy rate chart looks like. See if there's a way to. Let's see. Oh, I didn't want to hide it. Let's see what we got here. Anyway, I gotta come back and figure out how to get my little labels back. I don't know if there's any labels on these. Yeah, see, I got my labels here. on those. I don't know why my labels are not showing on the other chart. I'll have to go back and figure that later. I gotta change the name here. Profile. Why is her profile on here? Oh well. Worry about those things later. Anyway, man, what I'm looking at, since I did buy quite a bit of Bitcoin back around the $13,000 mark, 18.6 is looking pretty good, 19 is looking pretty good. So, might be buying in to, selling some to buy in to, make a quick couple $100. It ain't a lot, but, hey, you gotta start somewhere. I got so many things going on, I'm having a hard time getting people signed up for this Innovative 8 nutrition. Let's see if we can log in this puppy. Works great on your phone too. I sent out some invitations to some people just to test it, and it'll give you an answer back that they watched it or didn't watch it, or how long they watched it. So it's really helpful. Come on, you crazy, silly little program. It's going to take a while to load. Maybe because I'm recording the video, I don't know. I don't see anything else running. Jeez. Some man, right, boss? Something ain't turning on my Innovative 8. I'll have to give me a login. Alright, let's see. I thought I had a link up here. It would really be great. No. I'll tell you what I'll do. We'll do control history. Go back down and take a look and see where we were yesterday. A lot of places yesterday. Crowns, Facebook, Truthbook. That's all yesterday. Chrome website, extensions. Huh. Interesting. I do not see. Oh, here we go. Okay. Well, why it's not letting me log in is really odd. Daily. Where that goes. I didn't even know I had a link just to that. I didn't think so. Alright. Okay. So, since none of the password vaults ever frickin' work, because they're shit, we'll put it up here. It should pop right in and go. Unless we having problems. Unless they're using Flash or something. Flash enter, allow script once. Cross blocked. Turn those off for a minute. See what happens. Yeah, it came up. See, you gotta go into Chrome and turn off some of that crap. It's bullshit. Whatever. Okay. So, anyway, October bonus. Chad and Shelley did 10,000. Tanya Hartley did 8,000. Rajin did 6,000. Cheryl did 4,000. Lori did 2,000. So that's October winter bonuses. That's a lot of money. So anyway, here's your product again. You know, and where you can go to. You can just go on there and log in under this right here. Copy this and type that in like that. And go there and buy that. It will go under my name and then under the person under my name. So, you know, pyramid type deal that works good. You get as much as 25% of each sale your customer makes. So I think that's pretty incredible. You know, nobody pays 25% anymore for stuff like that. So, jeez, everything is so slow. Job offer. No, thank you. Well, folks, I don't know what is going on. Everybody must be on the internet. Because mine don't go nowhere. Well, let's look at some of the other charts that we got. Wow, that's crazy. I bet you $100 Brave isn't having this problem. Or even Chrome. Oh, Brave's the one having the problem. Okay. Let's try tape. Lost it again. Sorry folks for the technical problems, but you know it happens, and it's been more frustrating the last 2 months with computer hardware breaking, software doing things that it shouldn't even be doing. I mean, it just makes you think nothing works. And you gotta go in and jack with it and fix it. So let's see if we can find it. There we go. Let's see now. Okay. Norton. Let's see if we got a link on this page. Okay. It's working in Brave. We should have a link patch somewhere. YouTube channel. Well, I don't know what I'm worried about. YouTube will work on this browser. I don't know what's wrong with Chrome. Thinking about uninstalling it. I'm just leaving Brave and maybe Edge. I don't know. I haven't had time to evaluate Edge. I know it's got some kind of weird issues going on too. And I keep losing my mouse. It's like I need to turn all my screens black mode, dark mode. Oh good, here we go. Switch accounts. Bitcoin bull believers. And there we go. Hello Rachel. How you doing?
So, I'm making my ice cream now. I've done my caramel sauce.
Ice cream. Okay. Anyway. Okay, back over here, go to my channel. And there we go. Probably ought to move up. Oh. The dump they were talking about the other day. Yeah. I don't think it's going to happen. Even if they do, they'll buy it back up. So, anyway, let's see. We can make... I don't want to promote you. Go back. Go back. Go on. Okay. Playlist. Subtitles, copyright, moderation, disposition, audio library, channel for people who hadn't subscribed, featured video for returning subscriber. And we should probably change this video, and let's pop this one here. I like that one, that's a good one. Anyway, folks, that's where we're at today. And let me get back to our non-working Facebook chart or whatever it is. But Bitcoin chart's working, and we're at 18,782. What do you know about that? Dang, that's above the line that I had it predicted at. I had about right there. So, yeah, closer gets to 19,000. Closer I'm getting to selling some, and then wait for it to go down next week. Or it could run up to 25,000, who knows. That's the beauty of Bitcoin, everybody. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. No one. Oh. Okay. Well, I gotta get out of here. I got a lot of stuff to do. Gotta get some Christmas stuff up. I gotta get in contact with somebody for a date tomorrow. And that's going to be great. And we'll see how that goes. Anyway, hey, y'all have a good day, blessed day. Be careful out there. Take care. Eyes up always. Be ready for what's to come. We'll talk at you later.